In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all available payment methods on Dhgate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look so you can confirm what you can use to pay before you commit to a purchase. First, open your browser and head to www.dhgate.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so the site can show you the options that apply to your location and profile. If you aren't signed in, go ahead and log in. Being logged in matters because payment availability can depend on your region, currency, and shipping details. Next, pick any product. It doesn't have to be the exact item you plan to buy. This is just a quick way to reach the checkout area where the payment list appears. Open a product page and take a moment to glance at the price, shipping estimates, and seller ratings if you'd like, but you don't need to make any changes for this demo. When you're ready, click Buy Now. This takes you into the purchase flow without having to build a full cart. Don't worry, you're not paying yet. You're simply moving forward to see the available options. From here, continue to the checkout page. This is where you review your shipping address, confirm the item and quantity, and see the order total. Think of this page as your control center for finalizing the order. The payment options live here as well. Scroll until you find the payment method section. It may be near the bottom of the page. Depending on your screen size, you look for a label that clearly indicates payment, along with a button or link to adjust it. Click Select Payment Method. This is the key step. A panel or page will open showing every payment option that Dhgate currently supports for your account and region. You might see major cards, third-party processors, digital wallets, or other methods. The exact list can vary based on your location, your selected currency, and sometimes the seller's settings. This view is strictly informational until you confirm a payment, so feel free to explore. If something you expect isn't listed, double check that your shipping address and currency are set correctly on the checkout page, since those can influence availability. Also, some payment methods appear only for certain order amounts or specific countries. Once you've reviewed the list, you can select a method if you're ready to proceed, or simply close out and leave the page. No charges occur until you finalize the order. That's it. You've now seen how to quickly access and review all supported payment methods on Dhgate directly from checkout.